Hello, welcome back. We've got the brand new Monument Denali 605 gasser on for you guys. We're going to do a complete review of this grill. This grill is massive and perfect for entertaining or big families. It has 605 square inches of space on the grate. We're going to do a little brief assembly video for you just to show you what's involved with that and then get into all the features of this great grill. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. The first thing you're going to need to know about this grill is it comes in two massive boxes. A massive grill is going to come in massive boxes. So be ready when the shipping brings it to you. You might need a friend to get these things unloaded and inside the house or garage or something to keep them out of the weather until you can put it together. Box 1 weighs 130 pounds. Box 2, 89 pounds. Now let's break out the Ultratech and get these things opened up. Got tape on my knife. As usual for Monument, everything showed up very well packaged and no signs of any kind of physical damage. So we're ready to start unloading this stuff, putting it together. Well, we got it all out of the box. Is it a few parts to it? Yeah, but it did come with some nice knee pad material and plenty extra of it. But don't let this scare you. The instructions are absolutely fantastic. Glad this one didn't come with a lid attached. This grill comes with a temperature probe right at grate height and this little shroud. Don't put these screws in farmer tight, because you're gonna have to take that apart and clean it once in a while if you cook on this thing a lot. So that temperature probe is right in the center of the grill and should give you a really good accurate temperature at grate level. Your pull-out grease tray is the same as all the other Monuments that you might be used to, and the pull-out grease catcher is also accessed the same way. I like these new stainless steel flavorizer bars. They seem a little bit heavier than previous models of the Monument grill. Very nice. And this one goes over the sear station. All right, just put the grates on now. We'll be ready to go. I like the way these are keyed right here, so these won't slide around on you. The other one's in, just regular old Monument cast iron grates there. And this panel is pretty cool. You can remove this if you want to set a pot right up close to this high temperature burner here. That would be great for searing steaks on a cast iron skillet or pretty much whatever you can dream up. The warming rack on here. Just so you know, this doubles as a chicken leg rack as well. Came with a rotisserie, came with a cover, came with two probes for your little temperature monitor there on the side. Just an absolutely beautiful and massive gas grill. And as usual, the folks at Monument included a bag with a few spare parts. So that's pretty nice too if you lose a screw or something. Now let's get the burn off done on this thing and put some food on it. All right, that little gas cylinder slide is awfully nice. Awfully nice. There we go. Very cool. Get her fired up for the burn off here. Oh yeah, that one's got its own igniter. Do the sear burner too. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and fire up the controller. Watch the temperature come up. About 142 now on that probe. That ought to start going up pretty hard. But honestly, where this temperature sensor sits is right over the burner. So I'm not sure that that's 100% accurate. It probably reads a little warm. Pretty unadventurous hot dog cook tonight for the first one. Tomorrow will be the big cook, where we're gonna put a whole bunch of chicken breast split on this thing. 2 big family packs and see how many it'll hold. Tell you what, I bet you could get 50 hot dogs on this daggone thing, as big as this grate is. Look at that grate surface. It's huge. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two. And wait till you see the masterpiece I'm gonna make with these two right here. Step one, warm cheesed buns. Yep, good start. And that is the chili dog creation. There is a layer of onions on there and a layer of shredded cheese, a layer of chili, and topped it off with some more shredded cheese. That's a chili dog right there, y'all. If you do any entertaining or have a big family, the new Denali 605 Pro from Monument is probably the gas grill for you. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below to the new Monument Denali 605 Pro gas grill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next 2 videos on this grill. We're gonna do a great steak searing and also a huge cook of chicken breasts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you want, whoops. All good.